Every day, check all parts and any accessories you use for dirt or moisture. Wipe the processing unit, coil, cable, ear hook, and accessories with a soft, dry cloth. Check the microphone cover for signs of dirt or grime. Clean as necessary. Remove the battery module and make sure all the contacts are clean. Carefully tap or blow on them to remove any dirt. Keep your sound processor free from moisture by drying it every night in your dry aid kit. Every 2 months, replace the dry brick in your dry aid kit. Replace your microphone cover every 3 months. To start, remove the old microphone cover by holding the coil cable grip and firmly pulling it straight out of the processing unit. Do not tug on the flexible part of the coil cable or twist the coil cable. Lift the microphone cover from the bottom edge, then lift it up to remove. Next, fit the new microphone cover. Fit the replacement microphone cover onto the processing unit. Press down firmly with the finger on each end and the middle of the microphone cover. Then push your coil cable into the processing unit until it clicks. Do not twist. For more information, visit our website.